Like and subscribe, and ring the bell to join us for more adventures. A long uphill trail stretches ahead. Timo looks up at the steep climb, already feeling the strain in his legs. The summit still seems far away, and Timo wonders how much farther he must go. A new word becomes important in this moment. Persevere. Persevere means to keep going despite difficulty. Turning back down the hill would be easier than climbing higher. But instead of quitting, Timo takes steady steps forward, one at a time. With each step, the peak slowly draws closer. He finally reaches the top. Timo remembers that to persevere means to push forward even when the path feels tough, and that steady effort leads to great rewards.
For more cartoon stories and advanced English vocabulary, and to build the skills you need for exam success, visit vocabcartoons.com. Cartoons, quizzes, and games that help you learn fast. Start free.